guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really been a midnight, it's around 2, so I just thought of filming my room tour, which I'm gonna leave this house soon after me getting married. So I thought of sharing you guys how my room really looks like and just sort of making a room tour, and it's gonna be like making memories. Maybe I'll see this video after months and years and look back and all that. So I'm just going to make this video for that sake and for you guys to share. So let's get into this thing. So get into the video. When you just enter into my room, this is how my room actually looks like. And first, let me take you guys through this small room, but this is my favorite spot where you can guys see me filming and all that stuff's happening around. And this is the corner that I usually make. So let's get first, this is my bathroom, which I'm not going to show you guys because this is really private area. So first, let me take you guys through some of these carton boxes which is lying on the table. So these are some of my skincare and all that stuffs. So this is my, which I'm not going to take you guys through all these things, but really random stuffs, and it's really worth to take it around. So some of these skincare, like my, you can see this, my sunblock, some sheer creams, and some creams lying around which I'm not using because I didn't feel like, and some oils which I usually just take some random stuffs around, some skincare and my combs lying around, which is, I'm not showing you guys all by cleaning, but this is how my entire desk looks like. So inside this carton I have some products to show you guys. This is like my manicure pedicure kit lies around, and I use very randomly, and I'm not, this is something like I use this box. This is the manicure pedicure kit which I have shown you guys in my recent videos and all that stuff. My earrings and all that lies here. The daily wear lies here. So I'm just going to show you guys that is that. And this is how my desk usually looks like. And in here I have some usual stuffs which I randomly picked up and use. So, and this is a cute stuff which I wanted to share with you guys. This is a gift from my fiance. He gifted me this because I'm really scared of darkness, so just got this for me. And I've got so many random stuffs for me, but you know, it's one of those there's a lot of things, and he gifted me. So this green tea serum. So you know guys, I just swear by this product, and some makeup removers, and because you know I am a YouTuber and I am a makeup artist, and I have to get this, like this rice water from the face shop. This is actually a Korean brand. This does this a lot. And we have some skin awakening moisture boost serum. This is actually a serum I use in random days. I think like this serum is really worth it when during the early, when I wake up early and I use this serum, because you know it awakens my skin. Mostly I have some bridal jobs, I use this. Some highlighters lying, I don't know why, and it's a random stuff like my glasses and all that, my lens and sanitizer. I use them often, so I have to keep it on the desk. My makeup pouch and my brushes, my hair dummies and my laptops lying around, and that's my travel bag which I'm gonna show you guys. And this is another travel bag. This one is older ones, and this is the newer one added in recently, and this is for both makeup and hair. I use this, and sometimes I use this for my traveling purpose. Mostly I use this, but now I'm going to use this after getting married or something like that. So that is that, and that's my table. And don't ask me to open this because it's really a mess up there. So this is my chair, and where I sit and film. It's really dirty, but I'm not going to show you guys this. This is my ring light, and I'm so proud that I bought this because this is like one of my favorite thing that I bought, and I use them really well, and I'm proud of that. I think because whatever product I get, I'm not used really so much, but this product, I swear I use them a lot. And this is my mirror, and hope you guys can see me. Hi. And this is my mirror. I got this during my birthday, set up and all that. And this is my normal South Indian kind of a bureau that's lying. And up in there you can see some of my packagings and my stuffs, like my ring light bags up in there, and some hat. I don't know, these are PR packages that I have to get, and there are stuffs in there that I'm going to take it to my husband's place after getting married. So this is my bed, and I'm going to take it to this treadmill. This is from Propel Fitness Equipment, and this is really a very good one. I use them every day. Like, I just do 300 calories per day and I'm good to go. And this is my favorite bag, and I want to show you guys what it is. And this is the bag that I got in PR. So this is a nice traditional bag, but I don't use them often. And this is another bag that's a gift from my fiance, and didn't remove the tag. It's just lying there around because I'm not going anywhere around. These are some shrugs that I use whenever I just go randomly out. But I'm a shruggy baby. I use a lot of times I wear shrugs, and these are my outdoor shrugs. This is my bag. This is from Caprese. I love this color a lot, like a lot. And this is my go-to bag every time. And I had a lot of bags before, but I thrown all them because I got this one. And I'm super happy about this because I use them a lot. Whenever I use a product a lot, I'm super happy and proud about myself. So that is that. So let me take you in this area. So here you have my running shoes and my weighing scale, because recently I've been losing a lot of weight, and I'll be posting about that too. And some shoes lying around, don't even see that. And then here we have my side bed table. Like, it's just a stool which I used as a table. That's my diary and for some notes and all that. And my cup of I usually have some green tea during night, and I have that finished, so it's really gross. And I have two phones. One is for YouTube, and other for my personal one. So this is my bed. I don't share my bed. This is my entire bed for myself. And that is my book of hope lying there. That's my dad usually gives me. This is a really huge water bottle. I usually have them a lot. I drink a lot of water recent days because since I'm a bride, I want me to be hydrated a lot. So that is my room tour, and this is my kind of like every South Indian things, like my clothes and dresses hangs in around here. So that is my room tour. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. So